All right, good day everybody. Thank you for coming back. So in today's video, I'm reattaching the stairs behind me. I had to take it down to do the drywall behind and paint it, sand it and paint it, and put it back. And also I'm finishing the ceiling, and that's all for this, well, that's all for this room for now. All right, so enjoy. Thank you. I'm ready to start on the ceiling, and then when I did the drywall in the stairway on each side, so I noticed that the ceiling there was actually sagging, which I guess it's not surprising. It's 45 years old, but because when I measured the drywall on each end, it was fine, but the middle was lower, so I had to shave it off, and I decided to reinforce it, just I guess to keep it stronger. And now it has extra load because it's also wearing the supporting the ceiling. So you can see I added a 2x6, and it's supported on that beam down there, and the same on the other end. And then also at the end here I got 2 carriage bolts on each side, and it just, I guess, to keep it from moving left and right. And yeah, so I raise, when I put that there, I raise the center by about 1 centimeter, so it's almost straight now. Very good. So yeah, before I seal it, I gotta check all those things. I removed the plastic that I put for the dust, and yeah, it's a pretty big living room. So for this winter, I'll just put a carpet, and then maybe next year or the year after that, I'll do the flooring. So I just started doing the ceiling in the second half. So I wonder if that two-sided tape will be enough to keep it tight. I see there's a little bit of a gap. I'm going to put another one in the middle, see if that keeps it up there. All right. That's it. The last piece of ceiling. I just have to add some screws over there, but this is done. And this section here is temporary because next year that ceiling will connect with the entrance ceiling, so I put these just to close it for the winter time, but I'll be connecting. Same with that little strip over there. All right, big living room. So the room is all done now, and I've moved everything back in, and it's a much bigger room, as you can see. And that gave us space for this table that I made in my other house. And let's take a look from the other side. So now the heater, as you can see, is more in the center of the room. So this heater heats up the whole downstairs. I've got passion fruit growing. So this is the stairs. It's a coffee tree. It's about 5 years old. It's as tall as me now.